To enter the Google API Calendar and holiday keys, from the dashboard under Settings, select School Configuration. Input the Calendar API key and the API Holiday ID. Then, on the home page, in the Manage menu, select Academic Calendar. You may then add or update new events and holidays in the calendar. To add a new event, simply select the day and add the appropriate information, such as the title of the event, time, description, and whether it is a holiday. To edit an existing event, simply select the event, press the Edit button, and then update the information about the event.